Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is one simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. I'll share the secret of an eco-friendly fertilizer that will make your geraniums bend under the weight of their blooms. Geraniums need the right fertilizer to grow healthy and flower beautifully, so make it now. Take 1 banana, peel it, cut it into smaller pieces, and place it in a jar. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support plant growth. Add about 0.35 ounces of fresh yeast to a bowl. Yeast is an excellent source of minerals and enzymes, helps speed up plant growth, and improves soil structure. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast, then pour in about 3 fluid ounces of warm water and mix until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into the jar with the banana and add about 1 quart of water so the ingredients combine. Leave the solution for a few days so the ingredients can blend well and ferment. Take a watering can, pour in some of the solution, add about 1 quart of water to dilute it, and water your geraniums with this fertilizer once a week. You will notice how quickly they grow, become stronger, and start blooming beautifully. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will help your plants thrive in a healthy and balanced environment. Water your geraniums with this, and the neighbors will be green with envy. You can make this nutrient-rich fertilizer right in your own kitchen. Take 1 raw potato. It is not just useful for cooking. Grate it or cut it into small pieces. Potatoes are rich in starch, vitamins, and minerals that support plant growth, improve soil structure, and help the soil retain water more effectively. Put the potato into a bowl and pour in about 1 quart of water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, which contains natural sugars that help activate nutrients, support soil microorganisms, and improve plant health. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which enrich the fertilizer with extra minerals such as nitrogen and potassium, while improving soil structure and aeration. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a jar and let it sit for 12 hours so the ingredients can combine and ferment. After that, strain the solution. When you want to use it, pour some into a watering can. Then add about 1 quart of water so the solution is not too strong. Water your plants with this natural fertilizer, and you will notice how quickly they grow, becoming stronger and healthier. Regular use will improve their condition and support long-lasting healthy growth. Add 1 tablet to water and use it to water your geraniums. Their blooming will become incredibly abundant, with deeper and more intense colors than ever before. This 1 tablet will restore their vitality and health, supporting their rapid growth. Geraniums need the right ingredients to stimulate intense blooming. So, take 1 tablet, break it into smaller pieces, and place it in a bowl. I'll reveal what this ingredient is shortly. Prepare a larger container and add about 10 fluid ounces of water. Drop the crushed powder in, then mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Now, prepare an empty spray bottle, remove the lid, and pour the mixture into the bottle. Close it tightly, shake well, and you now have a natural spray fertilizer. Simply spray your geraniums with this solution, and after a short time, you'll notice the plants becoming greener, healthier, and full of flowers. They will start producing new buds, and their leaves will become more intense, helping the geraniums regain their natural beauty and bloom like never before. The ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin improves plant health by boosting their resistance to diseases and stress, leading to more intense blooming and a healthier appearance. Thanks to it, the plants become stronger and more resilient to unfavorable conditions. I know exactly what geraniums should eat. Here are 5 fertilizers you should use on your geraniums, and they'll reward you with full, vibrant blooms all season long. To make the first one, grab a larger container. Pour in half a cup of milk and 1 cup of water. Transfer the mixture into a bottle and store it in the fridge. Water your geraniums with this solution up to 3 times a month. It's rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Next up, eggshells. They're packed with calcium and work great as a natural fertilizer. Crush them with your hands or a pestle and mix them into the soil around your plants. They'll help maintain a strong and healthy root system. The third one is a banana peel fertilizer. Chop up a banana peel into small pieces and mix it into the soil near your flowers. Banana peels are high in potassium, which supports flowering and plant growth. For the fourth fertilizer, use yeast. Dissolve about 1½ tablespoons of fresh yeast in 4 cups of warm water and let it sit for an hour. Then simply water your geraniums with it. Yeast contains nutrients that can boost your plant's immunity against diseases and pests. And finally, wood ash. Take 2 tablespoons of ash and mix it into a 4-cup pitcher of water. Stir well and water your plants immediately. You can also sprinkle the ash directly into the soil. It improves soil structure and adds minerals. Wood ash also has antifungal properties and can help protect your plants from fungal diseases. With these simple natural fertilizers, your geraniums will be lush, healthy, and as colorful as Grandma's balcony garden. And trust me, your neighbor will be jealous. In winter, I store my geraniums in a cardboard box. It's a reliable way to keep them alive until spring, and it works even for weaker cuttings. Before the first frost, take the plants out of their pots or boxes and carefully clean the roots of any remaining soil. Remove all faded flowers, young shoots, and any dry leaves. Once the roots are completely clean, prepare a plain cardboard box and place the geraniums inside with the roots facing upward. You can easily fit several plants in one box. Close the box, but never seal it. Geraniums need air circulation. And here's an important tip. Don't water them during winter, because moisture could cause the roots to rot. Keep the box in a cool, dark place where the temperature stays between the low 40s and low 50s Fahrenheit, ideally in a basement or a cool cupboard. Just make sure the box is not exposed to direct sunlight. Even if the leaves fall off, don't worry. It's perfectly normal. At the end of winter or early spring, give the plants a good trim to encourage new, strong shoots. Once replanted in soil, they'll recover quickly and bloom more beautifully than ever.